Africa Content TV.
Stand on behalf of the Central Council of Ibadan Indigenes to present the citation of one of our illustrious sons in Ibadan land, the Ashipa Olubada of Ibadan land. The Ashipa Olubada of Ibadan land, High Chief Abiodun Kola Daisi, was born some 6 decades ago into the family of Basharun Kola Daisi and the late Alaja Chief Serifat Daisi. He hails from Itabale, Ibadan. A chief of old block, the young Abiodun showed flashes of brilliance at his primary, secondary, and post-secondary education. He therefore had no difficulty later in life in gaining admission into the only university in the world. I'm talking about the prestigious University of Ife, which is now Obafemi Awolowo University. Great. In this university, he graduated in economics in the late 80s. He also went on to the University of Ibadan to take a master's degree in business administration, specializing in banking and finance. I, Chief Abiodun Kola Daisi, has served in different capacities. He was once the chairman of Oyo State Finance and Investment Company Limited. He is currently the chairman of several privately owned companies such as Securities and Capital Management Company Limited, formerly Fountain Securities Limited, member of the Nigerian Stock Exchange, Ibadan Civic Center, and Royal Resort Ibadan. He is currently on the board of trustees, Kola Daisi Foundation, and Kola Daisi University, and member of the governing council of the university. He has extensive experience in the financial services industry, spanning accountancy and banking and stockbroking, capital market activities since 1985. He started his working career with the accounting firm of Balogun Ayanfalu, Badeju & Co., Bab & Co. Eventually started his banking career with Fountain Trust Merchant Bank Limited, with responsibilities in credit and marketing, documentary credit and export finance, among others. He later qualified as a daily member of the Nigerian Stock Exchange in 1996 and thereafter joined Fountain Securities Limited as general manager, rising to the position of managing director, chief executive officer of the company in the year 2001. He's an associate member of Nigerian Institute of Bankers and Nigerian Institute of Management and alumnus of Lagos Business School, among others. Distinguished ladies and gentlemen, in recognition of his outstanding contribution to the socio-economic development of Ibadan land, the Central Council of Ibadan Indigenes has decided to honor one of our illustrious citizens with the award of the most patriotic Ibadan indigene, MPII. Now, we want to call on the chairman of this occasion, the President General, Prince Yemisi Adiaga, to do the presentation. Thank you very much.
Prince Yemisi Adiaga wọ́n ti ń bọ̀ wá. Bí wọ́n ṣe ń bọ̀ yẹn.
Ṣé Kola Daisi máa gbọ́?
Yóò dà fún ẹ. Ọ̀yà mo ti kàn sí.
Ṣọwọ́ lè wí pé ire, ọ̀rẹ́ wọlé dé kàn wá gba ẹ̀yọ́.
Bàbá wa lórúkọ kábíyèsí àti gbogbo àwọn Ìbàdàn. Èmi ò mọ tí jẹ́ ọlá ọlọ́gbọ̀n ká tí ó tó pé bàbá wa Kola Daisi is a member of the Olúbàdàn ẹ̀ka sí. Gbogbo ìwé tó bá gbogbo àṣeyọrí tó bá wù kéèyàn ó ṣe. Kò sí nǹkan tó èèyàn jẹ́ mẹ́mbà Olúbàdàn ẹ̀ka sí. Kí ló tún kù? Olùdókòwò náà máa wà pẹ̀lú yín ní orúkọ gbogbo wa nílẹ̀ Ìbàdàn ní CCI.
Chief Abiodun Kola Daisi, tó bá lè jó èmi lè jó. Chief Abiodun Kola Daisi, ó yá wáyé.